Complex 2 of the mitochondrial electron transport chain is also known as succinate dehydrogenase. PCR amplifies DNA following the equation 2n. Next question, what are the potential drawbacks in adoption of the IVF method? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी. Next question, what is the name of the blood vessel that carries deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart in a frog? D. Vena cava. Next question, which of the following statements refers to the reductionist biologist chemical approach to the study and understand living organisms? Question number 96, इसमें दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट ट्रू हैं. Question number 97, epiphytes that are grown on a mango branch is an example of commensalism. Next question, question number 98, from the given statement choose the correct option. The eukaryotic ribosomes are 80S and prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S and each ribosome has 2 subunits. Question number 99, which of the following is an example of ex situ conservation, zoos and botanical gardens? Question number 100, the primary source of energy in an ecosystem is solar energy. ये statement true है. The rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis in an ecosystem is called net primary productivity. ये भी true है. Question number 101, इसमें आपका correct answer है option D. Next question, इसमें both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option A. Which of the following is an example of non-distilled alcoholic beverage produced by yeast? Beer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इसमें आपका स्टेटमेंट 1 इनकरेक्ट है एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 करेक्ट है. क्वेश्चन कहता है स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय बैक्टीरियम स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस इज यूज्ड फॉर रिमूविंग क्लॉट्स फ्रॉम ब्लड वेसल्स. विच क्रोमोसोम इन ह्यूमन जीनोम हैज द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ जीन्स? क्रोमोसोम 1. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट अबाउट द लोकेशन ऑफ मेल फ्रॉक ओव्युलेटरी पैड? फर्स्ट डिजिट ऑफ द फोरलिम्ब. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फाइटोहॉर्मोन्स प्रमोट न्यूट्रिएंट मोबिलाइजेशन विच हेल्प्स इन द डिले ऑफ लीफ सेनेसेंस? साइटोकाइनिन. Next question, what could be the possible coelom of that animal? Pseudocoelomate. Next question 110, इसका correct answer है आपका option A. Next question, given below are the stages in the life cycle of a pteridophytes. Arrange the following stages in the current sequence. इसका correct answer है आपका option A. Next question, cardiac activities of the heart are regulated by nodal tissues, a special neural center in the medulla, and last option D आपका correct है. Next question, which of the following organisms cannot fix nitrogen? Nostoc. Option D. Next question, इसमें आपकी statement 1 incorrect है and statement 2 correct है. Next question, which of the following strategies will be chosen to select the recombinant colonies? White color colonies will be selected. Which of the following genetically engineered organisms was used by Eli Lilly to prepare human insulin? Bacterium. Next question, name the class of the enzyme that usually catalyze the following reaction? Transferase. Next question, find the statement that is not correct with the regard to the structure of monocot stem. Phloem parenchyma is absent. Next question, the correct sequence of the events in the life of bryophytes is? इसका correct answer है आपका option C. Next question, which are correct? तो इसमें statement 1 and statement C are correct. Next question, question number 121, इसका correct answer है आपका option D. Next question, question number 122, इसका correct answer है आपका option B. Next question, find the correct statements. In human pregnancy, major organ systems are formed at the end of 8 weeks. In human pregnancy, heart is formed after 1 month of gestation. In human pregnancy, limbs and digits develop by the end of 2nd month. And in human pregnancy, the appearance of hair is usually observed in the 5th month. तो आपका option C correct हो जाएगा. Next question, in the seeds of cereals, the outer covering of endosperm separates the embryo by a protein-rich layer called aleurone layer. Next question, which of the following diagrams is correct with regard to the proximal and distal tubule of the nephron? इसका correct answer आपका option D. Next question, identify the part of bioreactor which is used as a foam breaker from the following figure. इसका correct answer है आपका option D. Next question, assertion and reason. इसमें आपका assertion true and reason false है, तो आपका option C सही हो जाएगा. A specialized membranous structure in prokaryotic cell which helps in the cell wall formation, DNA replication and respiration is mesosome. Which of the following are post-transcriptional events in an eukaryotic cell? Removal of introns and joining of exons. B, C, and option E. What is the pattern of inheritance of polygenic trait? Non-Mendelian inheritance pattern. Which of the following enzyme contains heme as the prosthetic group? इसका correct answer आपका option D. Next question, arrange the following in increasing order of complexity of the body organization. इसका correct answer है आपका B. Who is known as the father of ecology in India? मिश्रा. Then match the following. इसका आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. Next question. Neoplastic characteristics of cell refers to a mass of proliferating cell, rapid growth of cells, and invasion and damage to the surrounding tissue. Then ये हमें दो स्टेटमेंट दी गई हैं और इस क्वेश्चन में दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैच द फॉलोइंग. इसमें आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 138. इसमें आपका स्टेटमेंट ए एंड सी आर ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, ऑल लिविंग मेंबर्स ऑफ दिस क्लास साइक्लोस्टोमाटा आर एंडोपैरासाइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 120. इस केस में आपका बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए. ऑप्शन ए सही होगा इसमें. मैच द फॉलोइंग. इसमें आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 142. इसमें आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेटमेंट दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. Antigen binding site is located at C-terminal region of the antibody molecules. Silencing of specific mRNA is possible via RNAi because of complementary dsRNA. Genes R and Y follow independent assortment. What will be the phenotypic ratio of the F2 generation? 9:3:3:1. Option C होगा इसका. Next question. Histones are enriched with lysine and arginine. The first menstruation is called as menarche. Then question number 148. इसमें आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द प्रोटीन पोर्शन ऑफ एन एंजाइम इज कॉल्ड अपोएंजाइम. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द यूनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ एन इकोसिस्टम. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी. स्वीट पोटैटो एंड पोटैटो रिप्रेजेंट अ सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ इवोल्यूशन. Select the correct combination of terms to explain the evolution, analogy and convergent. Next question. With the help of the given pedigree, find out the probability for the birth of a child having no disease and being a carrier has a disease mutation in one allele of a gene in F3 generation 1/2. Next question. Assertion and reason. इसमें आपका assertion और reason दोनों true हैं and R is the correct explanation of A. तो आपका इसमें ऑप्शन A सही हो जाएगा. Next question. How many meiotic and mitotic divisions need to occur for the development of a mature female gametophyte from the megaspore mother cell in an angiosperm plant? 1 meiosis and 3 mitosis. Which of the following is an example of a zygomorphic flower? P. After maturation in primary lymphoid organ, the lymphocytes migrate for interaction with antigens to secondary lymphoid organs, tissues like lymph nodes, Peyer's patches, and spleen. Next question. Given below are two statements. Fig fruit is a non-vegetarian fruit and it has enclosed fig wasps in it. ये statement false है and statement 2 आपकी true है. तो आपका इसमें option D सही होगा. Next question. What is the main function of the spindle fibers during mitosis? To separate the chromosomes. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of gymnosperms? Seeds are naked. Next question. Consider the following statement regarding the function of adrenal medullary hormones. It increases strength of heart contraction, it causes piloerection, and it is a hyperglycemic hormone. Why can't insulin be given orally to diabetic patients? It will be digested in gastrointestinal tract. Next आपका match the following. इसमें आपका correct option है option B. Who proposed that genetic code for amino acids should be made up of 3 nucleotides? George. Then match the following. इसमें आपका correct option है option B. Which of the following hormones released from the pituitary is actually synthesized in the hypothalamus? ADH. Role of water vascular system in echinoderms is respiration, locomotion, and excretion. Option B. Which of the following type of immunity is present at the time of birth and is a non-specific type of defense in a human body? Innate immunity. Next question. In bryophytes, gemme help in which of the following? Asexual reproduction. In frog, the renal portal system is a special venous connection that acts to link kidney and lower part of the body. Next question. इस क्वेश्चन में दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स हैं तो आपका ऑप्शन बी सही होगा. Which of the following statements is true about Rubisco? It catalyzes the carboxylation. Which of the following enzymes are not essential for gene cloning? Restriction enzymes and DNA ligase. Read the following statement on plant growth and development. इसमें आपकी A, B and C ये तीनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू हैं. Which factor is important for the termination of transcription? Rho. Frogs respire in water by skin in buccal cavity and on land by skin, buccal cavity and lungs. The statement is true for both the environments. Twins are born to a family that lives next door to you. The twins are a boy and a girl. Which of the following must be true? They were conceived through IVF. Which of the following microbes is not involved in preparation of household products? इसमें आपका ऑप्शन डी सही है. नेक्स्ट, मैच द फॉलोइंग. इसमें आपका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 179. इसमें आपका दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स हैं. सॉरी, इसमें स्टेटमेंट 1 फॉल्स है, स्टेटमेंट सेकंड ट्रू है, इसलिए आपका ऑप्शन डी सही होगा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस रिप्रेजेंट पर लॉजिस्टिक ग्रोथ ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन? ऑप्शन बी.